So, have you ever had a chance to witness or to experience an air show ever before? So here we have one, Nairobi Airshow.
It was the last one?
So, welcome to Uhuru Gardens, Nairobi. Okay, so Uhuru Garden is located along Langata Road, just past Wilson Airport. So, as we were coming in, we were welcomed by these amazing jets. Airport. Uhuru Garden is bordering the Wilson Airport at the eastern side of it. So today I think the government has stopped all the landings and I think all the takeoff and landings from Wilson Airport. And yeah, as you can see behind me, there are so many police officers taking charge of us, just providing security for the occasion that is going to take place here. The president of Kenya is also among the guests that have been invited today to host the show, and yeah, people are waiting for them to arrive. So behind me, that building, that's Uhuru Garden. Yeah, it has been renovated recently. It's painted almost white everywhere. Um, yeah, and the opposite of me is the carnival. Carnival, if you know about carnival, uh, that place, yeah, behind me, where there's a tent somewhere there. That's carnival. And yeah, here we are. Amazing view. And the opposite, the down at my, can I say my left hand side, you can see Wilson Airport. The runway is just there, and yeah, I'm standing exactly where the landing occur, the landing route to Wilson Airport always take place. So the aircraft usually come above my head, then descend behind my bike as they are going to land in Wilson. Yeah, the light aircraft, not that big ones. So in today's show, we've got several types of aircraft that will take to the sky. Just to name a few, that include Cessna 208, Harbin Y-12, Cessna Citation, the chopper, military choppers, the F-5 fighters, the Dash 8 from Q100 series to Q400 series, the Embraer 190, that's the Kenya Airways, and also we'll be having the Sky Divers. And so, here we go. And the show became more interesting when finally the F-5 jet fighters approached. You can feel the engine power. They were cruising at a very high speed. It became almost impossible to caption them at that high speed, and its engine sound scared many. and the first one was flying a Kenyan flag high above. And despite the wind blowing so heavy, they still managed to land successfully. And one by one, they descended. And the Kenya Wildlife Service were not left out. And they presented to the crowd how they do take care of wild animals. And they were fighting the poachers who came to kill the rhino. As a result, one got injured and the chopper was immediately called for a rescue mission.
The Kenya Wildlife Service team ran and rescued him and put him into the chopper, and phew, it took up to the sky for a medical emergency. Then the Kenya Defense Forces also presented themselves with the two choppers landing in between the stadium. The two choppers came to rescue the soldiers during the war period to take them back into the camp. The Skyward team was celebrating after the Skyward Express passed above them. Much for watching, and before we end, I met Douglas, who really enjoyed the show, and here is what he had to tell us.
My name is Douglas Randino and I'm here at Uhuru Gardens, pahala ambapo tume experience mazee vitu amazing jo. Nakwambia kama ulimisi event haujaiona event kama hii, na unajua hawa sasa hufanya hizi vitu zile wakati ambazo hatuko, unaona, either wanafanya usiku ama wanafanyia nje za country za nje tu, lakini leo mazee tumeona vitu amazing hapa hivi. Uhuru Gardens imekuwa very amazing, and I thank our government for hosting such events, because they give us also exposure as citizens. At least we get to know what usually happens in the sector of security sector, in the air and all that. So today tume experience amazing things, venye hizo ndege hukua wakati wa vita, venye mtu anaweza okolewa in case there is danger. It was so awesome, and for me, from here at Uhuru Gardens, I just say thank you to the government and thank you for all those who came. It was such amazing.
Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Like, please let me know your comment. Let me know what you think about this amazing air show that it has been, I think, for the first time in Kenya. Yeah, it has been so amazing. I feel so happy. So guys, please subscribe, comment, and